people. Huge shout out to Cavalier Mazda for allowing me to review the 2021 Mazda MX-5. Today we're reviewing the 2021 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This particular model wrapped in a soul crystal red metallic. For the length 154 inches, height 48 inches. You have a wheelbase of 90 inches with a ground clearance of 5.3 inches. Right here we're looking at a 2.0 liter powered by Skyactiv inline 4 pushing out 181. For the torque 151 at 4,000 RPM. For the MPG highway 35, city 26. Here's the sound of it. You have 17-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish with disc brakes in all four corners. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we are looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your gas gauge with your engine temp. On the right you have your MPH. In the middle you have your RPMs. Now we're bringing it back to your leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your cruise control settings. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel you have your traction control with your lane keep assist. In the footwell you have your trunk release. Looking down on the carbon fiber door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also have backup camera. On the right side of the steering wheel you have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. We done made it down to your climate control. You have your heated seats with your hardtop convertible alongside your charging pad. In the cubby area you have your 2 USB aux with your 12-volt outlet. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is the manual 6-speed. You have your traditional radio shortcuts. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is small. Behind the driver and passenger seat is your glove box. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 4.59 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of grocery bags back here.
Once again, huge shout out to Cavalier Mazda for allowing me to review the 2021 Mazda MX-5. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Always get people browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.